Hey everybody, it's Janice with Creating Through Chaos, and today we're going to make a bunny wreath using some things from the Dollar Tree. So I grabbed one of the styrofoam wreath frames from the Dollar Tree. Some bunny ears, these are actually from Target Dollar Spot, but you can definitely use ones from Dollar Tree. A bunny tail from Dollar Tree, looks like it's part of a costume maybe. And the microfiber dusting mops. You're going to need 3 of those. So the first thing you're going to do is glue your mops to the styrofoam wreath. So I just used hot glue, glued around, and then just pressed the mop onto the glue around the frame. And just kind of curve it as you go. And I tried to keep the seam that would be in the center, so it would be in the center of the wreath. It really doesn't matter though, because you can't see the seam afterwards. These are so fuzzy and fluffy that you don't even notice. You're just going to keep applying your glue and pushing the mop onto the wreath. And 2 almost covers it, and then you're going to need to cut your 3rd one down to fill the small gap. So as you can see, there's a little bit of a space left. You're just going to cut your other mop to that size and glue that into place also. Now that you have it all done, you can take some scissors and trim up any excess pieces that are falling off. Now you can take your ears and you're going to cut them off of the headband. Now I figure if you don't have any ears from your Dollar Tree or the Target Dollar Spot, if you can't find any of these, I know they have them at Walmart too, but you could always cut them off one of the dollar bunnies that they have at Dollar Tree also, like the little stuffed animals. So these aren't going to stay up on their own, so I cut 2 pieces of wire and then I twisted them at the bottom, and then I just kind of shoved them in the top through the styrofoam. As you can see, I'm just pushing it down in and then shaping it out. And I'm going to repeat it with the other one. And you want to estimate about how far apart you want the ears before you shove these down in. Then I added a little hot glue over them to stabilize them. So now you have 2 just plain ears. And these are just your wires. These are going to hold up the ears. And then you're just going to add a little hot glue. Then you're going to pull your ears over the wire. So I'm just going to glue a little bit in front of the wire and a little bit behind, and then I'm just going to push the ear down onto the glue. And then I'm going to hold in place for a minute, and that's it. And I'm going to repeat the same process for the other side. So a little bit of glue there, a little bit of glue there. Then I'm just going to slide the ear right over and then push it down. Now you have your 2 ears on your wreath. Once those are dry, I'm going to pull the clip off of the bunny tail, cut the tag off, and then I'm going to glue that to the center at the bottom. Now you can leave this as is if you like. I really like it just plain like that. Or you can do as I'm going to do next and add a bow. So I just made a bow with some ribbon that I had from Hobby Lobby. Then I took a little paper rosette and I glued that to the center. And then I glued that in between the ears. Now, like I said, you can leave it plain or you can jazz it up like I am. I'm not sure how I really feel about the bow. I think it's super cute, but I really am just learning to like things very plain. So I just hot glued that to the top, and that's it. There's your bunny wreath. And it's super cute and it was super easy. Then I just added a little bit of wire to the back for a hanger, and that is it. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope it inspired you to make one. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to spread the chaos.